हेलो टू एवरीवन, सो प्लीज़ वेलकम बैक ट्विंकल स्टडी क्लासेस। तो क्लास 10th के मैं साइंस के कोई बोर्ड का क्वेश्चन पेपर मतलब कि जेके बोस वालों का 2024 का सेट जेड अपलोड करने वाला हूँ। तो बच्चों, जिन बच्चों के प्राइवेट एग्जाम्स देने हैं बच्चों, आपके लिए ये बहुत अच्छी क्वेश्चन पेपर है। आप बच्चों को क्या करने हैं, प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन पेपर की तैयारी करनी है। और आपको किसी भी प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन पेपर चाहिए किसी भी सब्जेक्ट के, तो आप मुझे प्लीज़ कमेंट में डीएम करें। मैं आपको जल्द से जल्द उस पर्टिकुलर सब्जेक्ट के ऊपर वीडियो लेकर आ जाऊंगा। सो गाइस, सो एंड तक इस वीडियो को वॉच करें। लेट्स बिगिन नाउ। जैसे कि इस साल 2024 में सेट जेड के बीच में सेक्शन ए में आया था क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 to 18, जो थे वेरी शॉर्ट आंसर टाइप क्वेश्चंस 1 मार्क्स के, जिसमें से पहला पूछा गया था, नो मैटर हाउ फॉर यू स्टैंड फ्रॉम ए माई मिरर your image appears erect, the mirror is likely to be plane, concave, convex, either plane or convex. Second, the danger signals installed at the top of a tall building are red in color. This can be easily seen from a distance because among all the other colors, the red light option is scattered the most by smoke or fog, is scattered the least by smoke or fog, is absorbed the most by smoke or fog, moves fastest in air. Third, the power of concave lens is 0.5 diopter. The focal length will be 100 cm, 200 cm, 150 cm, 250 cm. Fourth, a wire of resistance 1 ohm is divided into two halves and both halves are connected in parallel. The new resistance will be 1 ohm, 2 ohm, 0.5 ohm, 0.25 ohm. Magnitude of magnetic field around a current carrying conductor at any point. Options: directly proportional to the intensity of electric current, inversely proportional to the distance from the conductor, directly proportional to the distance from the conductor, both A and B. Sixth, which of the following statements are correct about an equivalent solution of an acid and a base? Higher the pH is stronger the an acid, higher the pH weaker the acid, lower the pH stronger the base, lower the pH weaker the base. Next, seventh, Fe2O3 plus 2AI इन द रेज, ये वाला आप देख लेना, ठीक है। ये रिएक्शन ब्यूटेनॉन इज अ 4 कार्बन कंपाउंड विद अ फंक्शनल ग्रुप, देख लेना। विच अमंग द फॉलोइंग इज द लीस्ट रिएक्टिव मेटल? सोडियम, जिंक, मरकरी एंड एल्यूमिनियम। नेक्स्ट, व्हेन द ऑब्जेक्ट इज प्लेस्ड बियॉन्ड सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर ऑफ ए कनकेव मिरर, द इमेज फॉर्म्ड विल बी। ऑप्शंस दिए हुए हैं। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग ऑक्साइड्स ऑफ आयरन वुड बी ऑब्टेन्ड ऑन प्रोलॉन्ग्ड रिएक्शन विद स्टीम? 12th, the process where the unfertilized egg is released out of the body with blood is known as menstruation, fertilization, germination, pollination. 13th, the testes are located outside the abdominal cavity in the crown because. ऑप्शंस दिए हुए हैं। 14th, the decomposers in an ecosystem, इसके भी ऑप्शंस हैं, ठीक है। Which part of the brain regulates the body temperature? ऑप्शंस दिए हैं। उसके बाद आपका आता है नॉट फ्रॉम क्वेश्चन नंबर 16 to 18, 2 स्टेटमेंट्स आएंगे, एजर्शन की और रीजन की, जिसमें आपको देने। तो कोड में क्या है, ए एंड आर आर ट्रू इज अ करेक्ट एक्सप्लेनेशन ऑफ ए, बी बोथ ए एंड आर आर ट्रू बट आर इज नॉट द करेक्ट एक्सप्लेनेशन ऑफ ए, सी ए इज ट्रू बट आर इज फॉल्स, डी ए इज फॉल्स बट आर इज ट्रू। 16, assertion A, when a compass needle is moved away from a current carrying straight conductor, the deflection of the needle decreases. Reason R, the strength of magnetic field decreases on moving away from the conductor. 17th, assertion A, puberty, human male develops secondary sexual characters. Reason R, there is decreased secretion of testosterone at puberty. 18th, assertion A, there is always interaction between ecosystem. Reason R, an ecosystem is recognized as self-regulating and self-sustaining entity. उसके बाद सेक्शन भी आएगा आपके 2 नंबर के क्वेश्चन नंबर 19 से लेकर 28 तक। 19 क्वेश्चन जो है, व्हाट हैपेंस टू द इमेज डिस्टेंस इन द आई व्हेन वी इंक्रीज द डिस्टेंस ऑफ एन ऑब्जेक्ट फ्रॉम द आई। उसके बाद क्वेश्चन नंबर 20, वी कैन नॉट रीड अ प्रिंटेड पेज बाय होल्डिंग इट वेरी क्लोज टू अवर आईज, व्हाई? 21, write the balanced chemical equation for the following chemical reactions: barium chloride plus aluminum sulfate in the presence of barium sulfate plus aluminum chloride. Next, second is zinc carbonate, zinc oxide plus carbon dioxide. 22, let the resistance of an electrical component remain constant while the potential difference across the two ends of the component decreases to half of its former value. What change will occur in the current through it? Question number 23. Write the formula of a cyclopentane and draw in electron due to structure. 24. Draw the pattern of magnetic field lines around a current carrying solenoid. 25. What would you observe when zinc is added to a solution of iron, second sulfate? Write the chemical reaction that takes place. 26. How is the concentration of hydroxide ions affected when excess space is dissolved in a solution of sodium hydroxide? 27. Under what soil conditions do you think a farmer would treat the soil of his fields with quick lime, calcium oxide or slate lime, calcium hydroxide or chalk, calcium carbonate? 28. How does our body respond when adrenaline is secreted into the blood? Section C. 3 मार्क्स के आएंगे 29 से लेकर 37 तक क्वेश्चंस. 29. The potential difference between the terminals of an electric heater is 60 volt when it draws a current of 4 watt from the source. What current will the heater draw if the potential difference is increased to 120 volt? An electric iron of resistance 20 ohm takes a current of 5 ohm. 5 ampere. Calculate the heat developed in 30 seconds. Next question. Define magnetic field. List any 3 sources of magnetic field. Or what is an electromagnet? State any 2 points of difference between an electromagnet and a permanent magnet. 21. Differentiate between combination and decomposition reactions with the help of examples. Or what is a balanced chemical equation? Why should chemical equations be balanced? Next, differentiate between minerals and ores with the help of an example. Or in an electrolytic refining of a metal, what would you take as the anode, the exhole and the electrolyte? Write any function of each of the following components of the transport system in human being: blood vessels and blood platelets. Or why do the herbivores have longer whereas carnivores have a shorter small intestine? Next, small diabetic patients are treated by giving insulin injections. Why? Or which animal or plant hormone is associated with the following: developed secondary sexual characters at puberty in boys, initial growth of plants. इसका थर्ड पार्ट भी goiter. 35. Chances of fertilization are more of copulation has taken place during the middle of the menstrual cycle. Give reason. Or give reasons of the following: petals of flowers are variously colored. Second, some plants are propagated only by vegetative methods. 16 question. 36 question. What are the different ways in which individuals with a particular trait may increase in a population? Or will geographical isolation be a major factor in the speculation of an organism that reproduce sexually? Why or why not? 37. How can you help in reducing the problem of waste disposal at local level? Give any 2 methods. Or what are the problems caused by non-biodegradable waste that we generate? Section D में 5 नंबर के क्वेश्चन आएंगे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 38 से लेकर 40 तक. 38 आएगा ray diagram in each of the following cases to show the formation of image when the object is placed. First part, between center of curvature and principal focus of a concave mirror. Second, at the focus of a concave mirror. Third, between focus and pole of the concave mirror. और इसके और में है numerical. An object of size 7.0 cm is placed at 27 cm in front of a concave mirror of focal length 18 cm. At what distance from the mirror should a screen be placed so that a sharp focused image can be obtained? Find the size and the nature of the image. 39. Draw the structures of the following components: bromopentane, hexanal propene, 2,3-dimethyl butane, 2-propanol. Or may I explain the following reactions with examples: combustion reaction and substitution reaction. 40. Describe the structure and functioning of nephron, or describe transfer the following materials in plants: water, mineral and food. Okay, that's clear for 2024 सेट जेड साइंस का एग्जाम का बोर्ड का क्वेश्चन पेपर है. और भी अगर आपको चाहिए ऐसे क्वेश्चन पेपर, सो प्लीज यू कैन डैम मी माय कमेंट सेक्शन. सो मैं बहुत जल्द उस पर्टिकुलर वीडियो में आपको पास लेकर आऊँगा. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग माई वीडियो एंड मोर एंड सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर योर फ्रेंड्स. ओके, बाय.